Children, let's study what is a continued proportion. And how can you find out the third proportional? If three quantities are said to be in continued proportion, if the ratio between the first and the second quantities, is equal to the ratio between the second and the third quantity. If three quantities are said to be in continued proportion, if the ratio between the first quantity and the second quantity is equal to the ratio between the second quantity and the third quantity. Okay. Then here the question is, find the third proportional of 27 and 9. Here we have only two quantities. We want to find out the third proportional. How can you find out the third proportional? So we have to suppose that x be the third proportional. Okay. We must take that x be the third proportional. Then we can say that 27, 9 and x are in continued proportion. If it is in continued proportion, we can write in this way: a is to b is equal to b is to c. That means first quantity is to second quantity is equal to second quantity is to third quantity. Okay. Then how can you write this in this form? A is to b is equal to b is to c. We can write it as 27 is to 9. Here 27 is the first quantity, 9 is the second quantity. Then put equal to sign. Then again second quantity is 9. 9 is to third quantity is x. So if three quantities are in continued proportion, the ratio of first quantity is to first quantity and the second quantity is equal to the ratio between the second quantity and the third quantity. Okay. Now you know that the product of extremes is equal to product of means. You know the product of extreme. First and the last quantities are called the extremes and the second and the third quantities are called the means. Multiply these two. 27 into x is equal to 9 into 9. So this is product of extremes. This one is product of means. Then how can you find out the value of x? X is equal to 9 into 9 divided by 27. Okay. Then you can do cancellation method, or you multiply this 9 into 9. 9 into 9 is 81 by 27. 81 by 27. 27 goes 3 times in 81. So the answer is 3. So value of x is equal to 3. So the third proportional is 3.